Something about the calcarea phos related to the kidney symptom. In the kidney symptoms of the calcarea phos, in the boric mater medica, it is written that the increased urine with the sensation of weakness, पेशाब बढ़ती है, वीकनेस बढ़ती है, सेंसेशन ऑफ वीकनेस, पेशाब बढ़ती है और वीकनेस बढ़ने लगती है, पेन इन द रीजन ऑफ किडनी व्हेन लिफ्टिंग और ब्लोइंग द नोज. व्हाट द अनकॉमन थिंग इज दैट? नाक ब्लो करने से कभी किडनी के रीजन में पेन होता है क्या? नहीं होता है. अगर होता है तो calcarea phos. और समथिंग कुछ उठाने से पेशेंट अगर बताए, पेशेंट को तो पता नहीं है किडनी रीजन है, लेकिन हमारा कॉन्शियस नॉलेज हमको बताएगा कि ये किडनी के रीजन में बोल रहा है कि लिफ्टिंग, उठाने, कुछ भी उठाओ तो ये किडनी के रीजन में पेन हो रहा है. नोज ब्लो करने जाओ, इट इज़ सिंपल थिंग कि नोज ब्लो करने से इतना कोई जर्क नहीं आता है. बट अगर पेशेंट नोज मतलब छिंकारने जाए, ब्लो करने जाए, वेन एवर द पेशेंट इज ब्लोइंग द नोज एंड देयर इज अ पेन इन द किडनी, these characteristic symptoms given in the boric mater medica as well as in the repertory. Synthesis repertory, kidney pain, blowing the nose aggravate, calcarea phos is the only remedy. The only means it is only in the calcarea phos. It is given by Allen, Herring, Kent and the boric, as well as from lifting heavy weight. Calcarea phos is the only remedy. This is given by Allen, Herring, Kent, boric. This is very essential guiding symptoms which is verified by these authors. That's why it is there in the repertory. It is not that कि हमको लगा. It is not imaginary. It is the proven symptoms. It is verified symptoms, and these symptoms having the very much valuable symptoms. So your prescription should be based on these valuable symptoms, not on the vague symptoms. If you need, you can verify it in the repertory from the mater medica. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Ajay Kamble, MD Homeopathy from the Kolkata, the best institution practicing classical homeopathy in the India, in the Nagpur, Maharashtra. Those who want to study directly from me, the classical homeopathy, can join my clinic. The students as well as those who want can join. Thank you very much.